These are the EKET cube shelving units from Ikea. A lot of people have problems putting them together, which I did myself too. It broke the first backing plate, but I'll show you what I did to fix that. Was I took some metal cutting snips and I cut out the corners. And what this gives you the ability to push the corner back when you have to fit the last piece in place. You'll find out what I'm talking about if you get to that point, but this gives you the play you need to move that back and fit into the last remaining slot, which is back there, so it'll fit together and then pull forward. But anyways, that's as much as a video I could do one-handed here, but that's what I did. I just took some metal cutting scissors and notched out the corners and put a few of these together already. Everything's going fast now. Nothing else is getting broken. I did put some wood glue on mine on the top and bottom because these are never going to come apart again. Planning on a permanent installation, so I'm going to lock these things together pretty good. Take care. Happy building. Should have been probably a little better design. I've seen these little notches on other pre-assembled furniture.